Hey guys, it's your girl Crystal and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm gonna do a Q&A. Yeah guys, so just watch the video to the end for me please, and thank you.
Didn't even ask me what I wanted. You make them, but it's clearly not your forte. Clearly don't be.
Alright guys, so as you see in the title, a Q&A, I'm gonna do one Q&A. Yeah, and me actually one of my cousin write some question, like send me some question. I mean, sorry about that. Send me some questions, so I go do a Q&A tonight. And if you not subscribe it, you know, just subscribe to my channel. If you not watch the video, you know, subscribe. And if you not subscribe, you know, remember to watch the full video and leave a like, comment, and share. Is it me? Yes, so I'm gonna get right into the video. You know. So the first question, do you wait? If my teeth, if me ever teeth, yes, my teeth already. Everybody teeth one time in a day in life. There's one point in your life where you have to take something where somebody never give you. So yes, I did that already. Yup. So next question. Do you like condoms or raw? I love condom. Yes. Good. Alright, so other question now. Do you like makeup or natural? Me no love makeup because some of them makeup people them do it like them do it make you know when they in a castic. I saw some of them makeup you look too much powder and the foundation can't match up. You understand what I mean? Say some me no like makeup none at all. Other question. Who's your favorite person? My best friend, my man, and my sister, the small one. Okay, another question. Do you bathe? Jesus Christ. Help, help. Yes, so one. Yes, so not safe. Yes, so don't feel safe. No, I made a bathe. My mole like a what do I call it? My mole. You know when you put when you put when you wash clothes, you take it up off a line and it not dry. And when some clothes in a certain bar play for days, weeks, and months and years. Yes, girl, I'm not bathe. I don't bathe. Alright, other question. Do you like false ear? Yes, yes, I love the ear them with the little baby thing on go on. Yeah, the frontal, yes. And we wear braid too, but that's braid I don't really like them. I like false ear straight. Alright, I'll move on to the other question. No. Alright, other question. Do you have kids? No, I don't. But hopefully I have like 20 pitney. A joke, you're mad? You're crazy? Are you crazy? No time at all. Alright, other question. Do you like nails? Nope, because I don't have no fingernail. See them, I eat them off. So anytime I have a nails, is like anytime I spread on my bed and they lick up on the wall, it hot bad. It just feel like my whole finger just tear off, like literally. So that out of the question completely. Alright, other question. Would you like to get married? Yes, of course. Me would I like to get married, have my kids, and have a good job. Live in a nice apartment. That's my goal. That's my dream. Yes. So, I'm going to that question there. That's my dream. Like, what I just tell like while. Yes, so Other question. Do you like skirt or jeans? Or jeans pants? I love jeans pants bad because sometimes I can't bother fear rain a little short up, this, short up, that. Do you like sandals or sneakers? Sneakers, period. Because I like when my foot them clean and pretty, and them say when you wear sneakers, it make your foot them more smooth. So I like my sneakers. Alright. Other question. What do you do in your spare time? Play a game, eat, sleep, what else? Watch show, and that's that. My spare time, I mostly stay in. I mostly stay in my spare time because we can't bother with this and that. So I mostly like stay in, like seriously. Alright, so the other question. Do you like beach or river? Me like river. River more safer than the beach. Cause when me in the river now, I can see in the water like clearly, like seeing there. All if I know the deep part, I still can like see. You know me I talk about? But the beach now, anytime me there beach or stuff like that, I wonder, Jesus Christ, crocodile come bite off my foot. You know them way them yet? Because always I think see something I go just grab on for my foot. Me don't know why I always I think that, but it just always I come to mind like something I go just come bite off my foot. So me go in the other question now. Alright. Other question. Where would you like to go and chill out? Where would you like to go and chill out? What's your favorite chill spot? Okay, if me I go hang out somewhere like with friends and all of that, we don't like go like somewhere we can eat or if a beach side, and as long as food is there, me not have no problem because me love my belly bad. Love me and bad. Me not choose and refuse. Me once somewhere where food did they cook like sell and stuff like that, me we go. I move on to the other question. How much best friends do you have? One and only one. Alright. What's your favorite sport? Netball. I'm telling you something. Netball is my favorite sport, and I tell the last question too, but I go on a joke on this. Why I stop playing netball? When I got high school, I usually play netball good and everything. So one evening when I come from school and stuff, because you know some I was telling a little story and this and that early. So I go to school and I look a piece of that one. So I reach upon the field now or the net one the code. Alright, so somebody bounced me down and me drop on my side. So I drop on my side and want something in and feel it till one next day. I say me then and me had to walk with. You know when all people sick and can't afford walking sick, so then just chop off piece of wood or something have you walk with. And so me I say walk in my yard with it, and from that me say I now go back and nobody no response to me or nothing. I say my pee. I say my side nearly mad, my side peeing up. But anyways guys, this is at the end of the video now. And I make my outro. Thank you very much for watching. To all my nice clean supporters, hope you all enjoy this nice little short Q&A, and I'll definitely catch you back. I'll definitely catch you back in another video. Yeah guys, anyways guys, peace out.
Checking your reflection and telling your best friend, like, I think my butt getting big. It's getting hot in here. So hot.